Dylan says, I use the number pad on my keyboard. I have it set up where plus starts the recording, 0 stops recording, enter goes back 3 seconds and records over the mistake. My hand rests there anyway, so it's handy. And that is another thing that I'm glad you brought up, Dylan. Hotkeys on your keyboard. Most of the DAWs, I know Adobe Audition does for sure, but you can set up like favorites and even like macro processes on a hotkey. So if you have actions like multiple small actions that you do repeatedly, you can record those onto a singular key on your keyboard. So then you just hit the key instead of going, doing multiple clicks. You can program all of that to one process and one key, which is really cool and saves a lot of time. It's the small things, I think, that matter most.